about the environment since I was very young and always wanted to do something in it. And come here, kiddo.
Mommy, can I bring this giant leaf home?
You can bring that giant leaf home. So kind of like him, I've just always been fascinated by the natural world and wanted to work in it. But it's hard to say, well, how do you actually make that a career? So I went into engineering and found kind of after the fact that there's this thing called ecosystem restoration, and there's engineers that do it. And it's been a great fit because you actually work to solve the problem. You're not just figuring out, well, what are the problems? You're coming up with the solutions. So Stantec has a lot of multidisciplinary teams, so I work with a lot of different disciplines. I think the only way we actually come up with solutions is by joining together. Can you go back over there? Okay. Going to work is fun. Even through COVID, when a lot of the interactions were through the computer, it's just a strong-knit team. Everyone is passionate about it, and so you just feel a sense of community at work. When I'm not at work, I do a lot of what I would love to do at work. You know, I'm down by the rivers, we're taking the kids fishing, we're hiking. You know, I'm blessed to live in Colorado, which is an amazing outdoor state. And so we really just try to take advantage of where we live. I've worked in consulting most of my professional life, always in water resource type work. I've always had women above me who had families that were able to be successful as both moms and in their careers. You can have kids, you can be there for them, and you can not just have a career, you can have a successful career, and you can grow in that career. I'm Kate. I'm a project manager in ecosystem restoration at Stantec.